Have you ever wondered how Adobe, a name synonymous with creativity and innovation, came into existence? It all started in the early 80s, precisely in 1982. Two visionaries, John Warnock and Charles Geschke, decided to challenge the status quo and transform the publishing world through the power of digital technology. They believed in a future where creativity and design could be accessible to all. And so, the journey began for Adobe, setting the stage for a digital revolution. In 1993, Adobe introduced a game-changer, the Portable Document Format, or PDF. With this innovation, Adobe set a new global standard in document sharing. Suddenly, everyone could view, print, and share documents regardless of the hardware or software they were using. The PDF revolutionized our relationship with digital documents, elevating simplicity and universality in an increasingly digital world. This was just the beginning of Adobe's transformative contributions. In 1988, Adobe gifted the digital world with Photoshop. This software emerged as a game-changer in digital imaging, transforming the way we manipulate and perceive visual information. For photographers, designers, and artists, Photoshop became an indispensable tool, a magic wand that could transform the mundane into the magnificent, the ordinary into the extraordinary. Adobe was not just changing perceptions, it was creating a whole new realm of possibilities. Adobe's growth strategy was marked by key acquisitions. A significant move was the purchase of Macromedia in 2005. This acquisition added popular tools like Flash and Dreamweaver to Adobe's repertoire, broadening its reach in the world of web design. Then came the addition of Behance in 2012, a vibrant online platform for creatives to showcase their work. These strategic acquisitions not only expanded Adobe's suite, but also fostered a thriving global community of creative minds. Adobe was expanding and its influence was growing. 2011 marked the beginning of a new era with the launch of Adobe Creative Cloud. This revolutionary platform offered a comprehensive collection of applications and services, changing the game in the world of digital creativity. No longer were creatives bound by the limitations of standalone software. With Creative Cloud, Adobe brought seamless integration, fostering collaboration and amplifying the sharing of creative work. Adobe was not just making tools, it was creating a digital ecosystem. Adobe ventured beyond creativity, stepping into the world of digital marketing. With its Marketing Cloud, Adobe has carved a niche in digital analytics, advertising, and content management. It offers a comprehensive suite of tools, allowing businesses to gain insights, create personalized experiences, and drive customer engagement like never before. Through sophisticated analytics and intuitive design, Adobe is not just participating in the digital marketing revolution, but leading it. Indeed, Adobe was shaping the future of digital marketing. As we look to the future, Adobe is embracing artificial intelligence with Adobe Sensei. This innovative technology is not just a tool, but a game changer. It's enhancing creative workflows, making them more intuitive and efficient. Sensei is automating complex processes, helping users focus on what truly matters, their creativity. But that's not all, it's also personalizing user experiences, making Adobe's suite of products more accessible and user-friendly. In the world of Adobe, the future is AI-driven. Adobe's legacy goes beyond its software. It's an enabler of creativity, a catalyst for innovation. Adobe's impact reverberates through industries, from publishing to photography, from design to digital art. It's revolutionized education, equipping millions with tools to create, to tell stories, to bring ideas to life. Adobe has not just created software, it's shaped perceptions, defined standards, and transformed how we interact with the digital world. Adobe's story is one of innovation, vision, and transformation. From pioneering desktop publishing to leading digital creativity, Adobe's journey is a testament to innovation and vision. In the span of 4 decades, it has transformed the way we create and share, from the ubiquitous PDF to the revolutionary Photoshop. Adobe's acquisitions have broadened its horizons, fostering a diverse community of creators. The launch of Creative Cloud marked a new era, while their strides in digital marketing and AI demonstrate Adobe's commitment to staying ahead of the curve. Adobe's impact extends beyond its software, empowering millions to bring their visions to life. In the world of Adobe, the possibilities are endless. Thank you for watching, and remember to explore your creativity with Adobe.